It's better to be here. I cannot face that one. It's better to be here than for him to break our heads.
Ide is in trouble.
What is this? I'm happy he's going to be arrested. I really don't know what the prince has done for him to do what he did to him.
Ide is in trouble. What's going on there? Why are you all running? Huh? My son is not harmful. Don't worry. We are comfortable here. I will even go to Yobi and put the place in order so that we can have our meeting there.
Yes.
But me, I will not enter inside your throne room. Igwe, what's happening here? Why are you Listen. I don't understand why you are calling. I already called the DPO and his men will soon be here. Okay. Now as soon as they come, one of you will take them to this house and get him arrested this way. Because he has to come and explain why he had to make my son mad. What? He did that? Exactly. Come on, when you're in the police, you can do that. Yes. Consider it done. Okay, yeah,
Are you just noticing it? Hey, what balance for mouth? You see the prince. Now the prince came back mad. We open an hour was a Korean. Let me say after the rain, come the sun. Who does that? In which car? With this car? So that you use your charm. Bro, you think we don't know that all the girls in this village are using charm to move around everywhere they go. So that you want to use charm and charm me. See, this car does not belong to me. Oh. It's my brother's home. So you will not use your charm on me.
Hey! What kind of this one? Oh, you stopped me, eh? To come and show me your brother's car. Eh? I better shift, Jerry.
Look at you. Eh? You didn't even get my point. My point is that the prince came back mad. And me, I don't want to be mad. Bye bye. Not idiot. If you stop me again, I will kill you. Mad here. Just stop me.
Igwe, please forgive my daughter. She's running mad right now. Please help us.
And it seems that madness is going to run in your family. If you don't live here now, I will get angry with you and do something you will not understand. Get out of here!
So you want me to go and bring out my mad son in order to cure your useless daughter? Your Majesty, my elders, with due respect, remove this woman from here before I descend on her. Get away now!
Come, woman! Are you not ashamed of coming here to beg Igwe for this? Imagine. Let your daughter suffer for what he did. Do you want to cure a mad person with a mad person? Wonder. Huh?
Point of correction. I'm not mad. Greetings, father. Greetings.
Because
I'm not mad.
You were?
Yes, I'm good. I'm fine, father. Father, I'm fine. I'm not mad. I was never mad. I was never mad. It was all practice. Mother, the last time I spoke with you on the phone, you told me that a lot of people were here waiting for me. So when I landed at the airport...
Okay, those boys you told me about, they are outside.
My boy. Don't spoil this thing for me. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Don't let them know I'm okay. I am mad. Okay, sir. Go and bring them. Yes, sir. Go.
Here he is.
This is our prince. And what happened to him?
I don't know. This is how he came from the American airline. You can take him and leave now.
Child! So our prince is mad. Prince, mad. Guy, what are we going to tell Igwe and the others waiting at the palace? But on the other way around, let's take him home first. Then we'll tell Igwe this is how we saw him at the airport. Child, there will be a problem in the palace. He will just injure someone. Let's take him home.
Yeah, she just leave.
So I had to put an end to it right now. Yes, Edochie.
I'm so happy. I can't believe this.
This is my son, in whom I am well pleased.
Yes.
In fact, ask for anything in this world now, and you shall have it. Yeah?
This is wonderful. More than wonderful. Extremely wonderful.
Hey. Why did you send them to come and arrest me? If I count yourself lucky. Officers, let him go. This is my son. My son is well. Let him go.
Good.
I got him one.
It's okay, Chidi. You don't have to be surprised. I'm fine. I was never mad. At least now I know the kind of family you have.
Good.
Am I saying correctly?
Very correct.
Very correct.
Very correct. He's crying.
I pray. I got him.
My son is crying.
Woman, go. Go. You should leave.
Go and solve your daughter's problem. Go and solve your problem.
People change things. Yeah. People do change things. Yeah. Just remember. This life goes on. Life you live.
Don't go there and make this worse. Don't go and make this worse there. Mama, what do you mean I shouldn't go there and make this worse? I need to tell that man that he's a very wicked man. How could he? Arresting my father after making me to lose all the men that came here to ask for my hand in marriage just because of his stupid son. I am going to go to him, bear my mind to him. His son can go crazy for all I care. Mama, Biko. Mama. Come back and... What is it? Oh God. But why is Igwe doing like this? Eh? I'm getting tired of all this problem. I'm getting tired. Mma, one problem, Madu Jiraka. Mma, hold on, Mma.
What a shame. Hey! So this boy has been pulling the wool over our eyes. How will I face this family again? Hey! But this boy is wise, oh. Hey!
What happened? Didn't they take you to the station again?
Ah, my daughter. Wonders shall never cease to happen, no.
You're speaking in riddles. What happened? Because as you're talking to me right now, I am going there to face him. If he likes, let him take me to the station too. I don't care.
Going where? Going there. Don't try it, oh. Don't try it. If you go there, you'll be so shocked. The prince was never mad.
Papa, what kind of joke is this? What are you saying? What do you mean the prince was never mad? How?
Go there and find out yourself now. He wasn't mad. He's been playing pranks on us all this while. Yes.
You're running temperature.
Me?
I think they beat you up in the station. Because you're talking abnormal. What are you saying, Papa? How can you say the prince was never mad? How?
When we got to the palace, the Igwe said they should release me. Because the prince just came and he was talking normal, not knowing that he's been playing pranks on everybody. That was why they released me now. And you need to see the shame on my face when I left there. I was so ashamed of myself. My daughter, let's go home. Let's go home. Don't go there at all. If not, you'll disgrace yourself. Hey! That boy. Let's go, let's go.
Stop! We're outside. Why are you doing this?
What is it? Are you not mine?
Just stop it. Don't even go there. You've not paid my bride price.
Oh. Is that the problem? Money not be the problem. As we stand right now, I can pay your bride price. That reminds me. Let me ask you a question.
Okay.
So if I had not come to ask your hand in marriage, so you'll be among those maidens in this village disappointed over the prince, fighting for one small boy.
Paul, listen. It's not that I was fighting for his love. No, I wasn't.
Right.
I went to the palace. Igwe and Lolo asked me if I was married or engaged, stuffs like that. But I said no. But I won't lie to you, seriously. The question really caught my interest. Not until that stupid girl Ma started fighting me. I decided to go for the prince. That's what happened. But thank God, my mom and my dad really talked sense into me. So I have to go for. Yes.
Lucky. Thank you, stars. Thank you, God.
That what happened?
That this fine dude came to ask your hand in marriage.
Excuse you. Excuse you. You're outside. Take this easy. Stop.
People change things. Yeah. People do change things. Yeah. Just remember, this life goes on. Life you live is so important than the words you speak. The life you live.
I heard that the prince is now okay. Is it true?
Ma, the prince has never been mad. He's fine. Go inside. He's inside with the king and the elders.
Padita, the beautiful Padita. How can I see him? The prince.
You want to see him?
Yes.
Ma, if I were you, I would never ever step my foot on this palace again. Because you left the prince when he needed you most.
Then, because I called you beautiful. Who asked for your advice? Who asked for your advice?
Go inside. Let's see if he will forgive you now.
Am I the prince? You die.
Go! All I know is that you're not a friend in need.
Sometimes we wish our books of life was written with pencils. Yeah. There are few pages I would like to. Regina!
Guess what?
What?
Guess what now?
What now? Tell me what you have to tell me. I'm not happy, I beg. What is it?
Why? Why not happy?
You didn't hear that I lost my phone at the palace the other day.
Yeah.
And up till now, I haven't even seen it, and I don't have any phone to be taking pictures. Please tell me what you have to tell me.
Sorry now, you don't have to be angry now. You're a big girl. Eh? A phone is a small thing, you will get it now.
How?
You will get it, see, hold on. While I was coming to your house, I saw Mama Edna. You know Edna is mad.
I heard, but that's not none of my business. Please, what matters to me now is to get a phone.
Yeah. What should matter to you now is that the prince was never mad.
Eh?
The prince was never mad. He played a prank on the villagers.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Am I speaking Latin? I said the prince was never mad. He disguised himself to see how people would treat him. Hey!
It still doesn't make any sense to me.
Babe, I'm telling you the prince was never mad. As you see me like this now, I'm going home to look very sexy with my heel and my handbag, brush my hair, pretend and go to the palace like I don't know anything that happened. You didn't see me, I just got back. As I'm talking to you like this, I just landed the village. Because I want to go there and pretend and see if my love will shine. I will take care of the prince very well. Because I have to be your queen. Eh? Why are you still wondering? This is shocking. He did that? Yeah. He did that. And I want to do it too. Okay?
Akosi, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were playing pranks, I swear. I didn't know. Please, I'm very sorry.
It's okay. It's all right. Believe me, I hold nothing against you. Alright? You don't have to be sorry. You and I were good friends before I left. We will remain good friends. Okay? It's alright. In fact, I bought something for you.
No, I can't accept anything. Akosi, I messed up. I don't deserve anything. I can't take anything from you.
I don't see it that way. Alright? You did what you have to do. We can't take back the hands of time. It's done. But it's okay. Please accept it. I'll give you some money as well. Yes. At least you were there for me during some good times. Difficult times as well.
Akosi, the only thing I want from you is forgiveness. I don't want money. I don't want anything you bought for me. I just want you to forgive me. Please.
Ma.
See.
I've forgiven you. Yes. If not, you won't be here with me.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Akosi. Thank you. If you have forgiven me, can you at least prove it to me? At least let me give you a peck or maybe a kiss.
That will not be necessary. Okay. We don't roll like that anymore. That will not be necessary. You said you will not accept what I got for you. I have nothing against you. Okay? We're still friends.
Hey! None. But why would this boy do this to all of us? Why would he do this to all of us? Why?
Hey! Hey! I'm very weak right now. In fact, all my bones are broken. Hey! My wife, tell me, are you sure I still stand the chance of remaining the Onowu of this kingdom? Because the way the Igwe had the mind to send people to come and arrest me, I'm scared though.
Did you just ask me that question?
Yes, now.
If you stand the chance to still become the Onowu of this kingdom. So, how do I know? When I was telling you to take care, to calm down, take things easy with Igwe, you refused. You were busy dragging his son with him as if you both of you own the boy. Pride did not allow you to calm down. Now you're asking me if you still stand the chance of becoming being the Onowu. How?
What do you mean?
You should have begged him that moment that he had to go away. Are you the only one that ran away? I believe others are still there in the palace. They are still there with him. I believe by now somebody might have taken your position.
No, now. You know I was doing it for my daughter's sake. Is there anything wrong sacrificing for one's daughter?
Yes. So where is the man now? I hope she has not gone there to fool herself again. I hope she has not gone there to fool herself again.
See life. See life. If I had known. Hey.
Nani, there's no time. All this you're whipping over, I don't understand it. Go back there, go and kneel down and start crawling in the palace. Start begging Igwe. Me, I'm not ready to lose that money that comes from the palace. If you know what is good now, go back there, go and kneel down. Be begging everybody in the palace. Kneel down, save your pride. Keep your pride in the house. Go back there, go and kneel down. Start begging, crawling everywhere. Start begging Igwe. That money, I must not lose it. Go back and go and collect the money.
Uma is dead now. I just pray that he forgives her and take her back home. Hey. God, please.
Now what are you doing?
God, please.
What are you doing?
Help me.
Is it now that you know God? Is it now that you remember that God is dead? Please stand up, John. You are praying. What kind of prayer? Pray what? Pray.
Leave me now.
If you know what, pray. In fact, start praying. Pray harder.
Yes.
Pray harder.
Allow me to pray.
Pray. You can't get the money from you.
Is there anything wrong?
Then start praying. Is that you know you want to pray? When I was telling you, you didn't want to listen. Pray harder. Pray very well. That money must come. You must get a position. I must be collecting my money back.
Please help me. I don't want to.
Yeah, you pray. Pray harder. Pray harder.
You're distracting me now. Let me pray. God, please. I need my own position. No.
Which one?
Ma, hey, you're already washing them. Hadita. Yes, drop them. Thank you. You're welcome. I just want to apologize for the accident. I knew it was wrong. I'm very sorry. I didn't mean to say those things to you. I'm very sorry. No, but you never did. Was I fighting for the love of the prince with you? I was not now. The prince will first of all look at you beautiful girls now before look at me by the way like this. I didn't want. But don't worry. When I become the queen, you can do 3 times a day. I'll make sure to increase your salary. You will drive one of the cars. Anything. Me. My queen.
You're the one washing.
Yes, my queen. I decided to help Patita. You know we are good friends.
In that case, come with me. Excuse me.
Paddy, my queen. My God, just deliver me from this one. Just this one. Just let me marry the prince. Let him change. I've changed though. I've changed. I'm a good girl. Padita, bring more clothes. More clothes. This one is even small. You know I like to wash. I don't want washing this one. These ones are not even.
I just have to. Father, I have to. I know we have a lot of beautiful young women in our community like courtesy of nursing school and Asian school. So I have to devise a strategy that will help me find a good wife. Fortunately, we're in the meeting. So what do we do?
Well, now I'm glad that you don't know what it gets. So we will just have to look for one of those ladies who live in the city. Since the ones at home are failing. Who is that?
Igwe. I greet you, my king. I greet you, my prince.
Who are you?
My name is Ella, daughter of late Mazi Akubese.
Akubese? That's late Akubese.
Yes, Your Highness.
Is it your mother that is the principal of the academy in Naija?
Yes, Your Highness. I'm sorry to ask, Your Highness. I just got in from the city yesterday, and I heard what happened to the prince, and how the maidens deserted him, and I don't even know what to say, but I just came to see how I can help the prince.
I was there. So thank you for that.
Well, thank you so much for showing me interest. This is something like thank you. The prince down there, you might just go with her so you can have a word.
Thank you.
This was what I was talking about. She's a good girl. See, she doesn't live there, she lives in the city. Let's go to where we started from.
What are you doing here?
Yeah. No budget, Beyonce. You, what are you doing here? You're asking me what I'm doing. I came to fry egg. You're asking me what I'm doing. You, what are you doing here?
Ella, welcome. When did you come back?
Just now.
Hey, liar! Hey! She said she just came back.
I just came back now.
You can lie. You can lie. Were you not here? Were you not here the day they had that, the prince came back? Why are you lying?
I don't understand though.
Oh, okay. I see what you're trying to do. You're trying to pretend so that you look like everything is fresh to you. You were not here when the prince arrived. Hey, and you didn't see what happened.
I'm not Edochie. I'm not Edochie. You're hearing me. I will beat you green and black. I'm not Edochie. I'm not Edochie. How do you even come into this place?
Ella, Mma, you ladies should not fight. And Ella, I will advise you just go when you're ready to go.
Thank you very much. She said when I'm ready to go.
The same thing, there is a go inside. Go.
I see you. I just came to help out.
Auntie, they say you should go. Go now.
Okay, the prince and the king asked me to come here. So why are you chasing me away?
But this is my spot.
Can you imagine this one?
Padita, bestie, tell her to go.
Who is your bestie?
You should not fight.
This one is claiming relationship. How did you get here? How did you get here?
And this your big breast. You want to come and take over?
That's how we dress in the city. That's how we dress in the city.
This place.
Why? Why? You're not even ashamed of yourself. So you had the guts to come back to this palace.
No, I don't like fighting. I've changed. Now that I've given my life to Christ, you will not respect yourself.
Can you imagine?
If I change my mind, if I enter you.
The prince laid a plan on everybody, including his father and mother. Everybody in this village.
Hey, thank God though. If not, Ichie Ide would have been in police cell by now.
My own anger is that when the prince asked for Lebechi, the father, Ichie Ike Akatapo, he could not open his mouth to tell the prince that Lebechi is not available. I told the prince to his face, I said, Prince, Lebechi is not available. Lebechi is getting married.
Well, Guinea, why? Guinea, who does that? Papa, why?
But Papa, my concern now is, why is he not happy? Why is he angry? Huh? Or do they want to change their mind? Huh? Or do they want to change their mind?
By the time we take drinks to their house and they refuse, then you see my action. Die.
stories. I don't want them to change. I don't want them to change their mind and lose that girl. I love that girl so much. Don't call her this time. Let us take drinks to their house and give them a surprise party.
Daddy April, this is so shocking. But how did he even think about that?
Yes. Nah. That is the latest in town now.
Hey! This is good news, Papa. This is good. Hey! I am so happy. But Papa, who will he now choose? Now that Mma and her family did this.
Actually, she came there. And he did not send her away. But before she came, the prince asked me about you, that he wants to see you.
Hey! Papa!
Yes.
He did? That he wants to say, Ifugonia, Papa, I said this. I said this.
Nai, are you serious about this or
yes.
Are you joking?
I'm not joking. Only that is sure, man. Immediately rushed to tell him that my daughter is no more available. We nearly quarreled over that.
He did? He said it, Papa. Hey! But Papa, why would he say a thing like that now? When his son is here to pay my bride price.
What
is this now? But you see, Papa, I said I told you people that the prince had me in mind. Mama, he said this.
How will I know that? How will I know that he was making a prank? We all thought he was mad.
Yeah, myself.
We thought he was mad. Hey. But now, what do we do now?
Huh?
Mama, let's start the course of God.
What do you want?
I don't just know. Please, I just don't want to be confused. I don't want to be confused here.
You don't have to.
Yeah, Mama.
Good
morning, Ma.
Good morning. How are you? Ichie. You must have
Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I hope my in-law is around.
Yes, he's around. Nai! We have good visitors here.
I hope my baby is around.
Your baby? She just left, so she's not around.
Oh, is she? Yeah, welcome.
Oh,
none.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
None.
How are you?
You all are welcome. What I want?
Ike.
Oh,
Papa. Yes. Hey, man, and the boy is now. Ade Bumbe. Some fast and those things. All right.
We wish our books of life was written in pencils. Yeah. There are few pages I would like to erase. My God, remember. My God, remember. My God, remember. My God, remember. My God, remember.
Good morning, my friends. My friends, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Edochie. What a surprise. I was just asking your father about you yesterday. Come on.
Times we wish our books of life was written in this pencil.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you very much. Well, my prince, I was so happy when I heard what happened.
Oh yes, I had to think of a strategy that I could apply to get exactly what I want.
It's okay. Seriously, you did well.
Come on.
My prince.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince. Good morning.
How are you?
How was your night?
Beautiful. You didn't tell me you were leaving.
My prince, you were very busy. I didn't want to disturb you, so I left. Edochie, how are you?
Ma'am, I'm okay. I'm fine.
You really look okay. How is Paul? And how are you both preparing? Preparing for what? Did you lose your memory? Your wedding? You didn't even invite me. That's not fair. You don't want me to come and eat, right? Tell him. Okay, you not tell him. Sorry, I should have said it. I'm sorry. My prince, please, where is the king and the queen? Okay. Happy preparation, bro. If you want, I can even bring flowers for you. Oh, I should not care. My king, prince, let me go inside.
Edochie,
My prince.
are you getting married?
Ella, you don't have to be angry now. Edochie is getting married to Paul. There's nothing to worry about.
Then what is she doing here? Eh? What is she doing in the palace?
Babe, this is a thing of fate. If God says that the prince will marry you, no one can change it.
The prince
Why
will
are you
marry
stressing yourself?
Yeah, Adaka. What are you doing here this early? Am I in your father's house? What? Am I in your father's house? What are you doing here this early? Am I in your father's house? Is this your father's house? Anywhere people are gathered, you will come. Anywhere they are gathered, you will come.
I don't have time for you.
I have your time.
You are a waste to me.
I agree.
Please, come and show me the prince's bedroom. I want to clean it.
Eh? But I thought you said you were going to clean the bedroom, so why is she cleaning it?
Don't worry. Let's go.
Waste products. Don't have anything to do with your house. I can join and clean the bedroom. Listen to me. If I see you in my husband's room, don't go and look for toilet and clean. Use that thing on your head you call Wivon to mop the floor. When you want to come. Try and lose weight, though. Do some jogging, do some exercise and lose weight. Everything big, every year big. You want to come and marry please. People might come.
Hey, woman. I was expecting you tomorrow. Why this sudden visit?
Katapo! Tomorrow and today are still the same.
I have been trying to call her, but she's not
Oh, where is your daughter?
She said she wants to go and see a friend. But, Ichi, you people did not tell us you are coming today. And she herself, she's not aware of it.
Exactly. Even my kinsmen have not told them. You know, one person cannot be mad, the place and be mad. I have to notify them. Ngozi? Ngozi?
Yes, Papa.
Yeah. Go to Ishiaska. And Ishi Kenneth. Call them for me. You have this. They should come with you now.
Okay.
Akatapo! Oh, yeah, they remember. You're welcome.
Yes.
Oh,
she is your daughter. Yes. The whole of us seated here, we are from the same village.
Thank God you have sent your daughter to go and call your policeman. They will come. Oh, wait. But we can be taking something.
Why wait until tomorrow when we can get it done? So I just want to pay a bride price. Let me try and call again.
Agadamo!
Hey, seriously, I messed up. I messed up big time. If I had known that the prince had me in mind, I wouldn't have played smart on this. I would have just asked Paul to give me some time to think about it. Hey! Now I've missed this opportunity. Yes, I've missed it. It was obvious that he was angry when I told him about Paul. Hey!
Phone rings.
Hello? Yes, what is it? What is it? Eh? You're in my house. This early? I don't understand. What's the meaning of this? Why did you tell me that you're coming to my house for this?
I thought you were supposed to get married tomorrow.
Paul, tomorrow you said, not today. Paul, please, I beg you in the name of God. You're rushing me. And I don't like being rushed though. I like Romifa, I don't like it.
What do you mean I'm rushing you? Huh? I thought we had an agreement we're going to get married tomorrow. Moreover, we are both from this village. We both grew up in this village and we're not strangers to each other. Or are you now having double mind getting married to me because the prince asked after you yesterday?
Who told you that?
Forget about who told me. If you're having double mind getting married to me, tell me. I will go out there, take my people home and forget about you totally.
Paul, it's okay. No problem. You can go ahead. I accept.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright, fine. Yes, we're still waiting for your kinsmen. So once they come, we'll get everything done. So we can go to the city and enjoy our marriage. Hope you good.
I'm fine. What if my mom comes out?
I'm going to pay your dad.
Please forgive me for my arrogance and pride, for my selfishness and indiscretion. The truth of the matter is that any father who loves his daughter will do exactly what I did. You are equally very right for seeking the marital happiness of your son.
You know, there's a saying that when a father beats a child with one hand, he receives the child with the other hand. So I am here to plead for your forgiveness, Igwe. Please. My joy is that all this ended this way. So please forgive me.
Chief Ide.
Igwe.
Chief Ide. I've heard you. Our people usually say that when you hold someone to the ground in a wrestling match, you're equally holding yourself. Until you leave the person, you won't stand up. Thank God you realized that you were being selfish and proud. But it's okay. All that is in the past now. I have forgiven you.
Thank you.
It's alright, Edochie. Who knows what would have happened if things didn't pan out that way.
Igwe, I greet you. My queen, greetings to you.
How are you?
My prince, I greet you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. I greet you too. Is this not Regina, our ex-beauty queen?
Oh, yes, I am.
Really? She is still beautiful. Oh yes, her father. Mother, you didn't tell me we have such beautiful women in this kingdom.
But she was here that day.
Really?
Oh, yes, I was, my prince.
Please sit down.
Oh, thank you so much.
My queen, I'm sorry to bother you, but the food is ready. Should I serve it now?
Where's the time? Oh, okay, no, let me handle it. Excuse me, please. One minute.
How are you?
I'm very fine, my prince, as you can see. How have you been?
I'm fine.
Good to see you.
I greet you, my great people of Amanda community. You all are aware of how it all happened and how it has all ended. The good thing is that 2 nights ago, my son, the prince, came up to me and said that he had found the woman whom his soul accepts to be his wife, and that he would want to announce it publicly himself like this, in your presence.
Today.
And I said, why not? I accepted. And today, we're all here, and we'll hear from him.
Oh, my prince.
Okay, the wise son of his father.
Odogu.
Just as my father said, I found the woman I want to marry. And that woman is... Madita.
What? No. Oh, my friends, please, you can't leave me. If an anya were a bucklas, if an anya were a bucklas, if an anya were a bullevers, if an anya were a bullevers, the rubbing you.
What a greetings! It's not fair.
Why? Don't tell me why. What do you mean it's not fair? Huh? She's the one I've chosen. What's wrong with her? If both of you saw that she was the person who took care of me when the other girls ran away. I don't even understand. Why are we arguing this? She's a good girl.
Son, insofar as you know what you're doing, and that Pudita is a very nice girl. You understand all that? She still does not fit you.
She doesn't fit me.
Yes.
Why? My father, tell me, why? Because she's not so beautiful, is that it?
Mm-hmm.
But she has a beautiful soul.
How convenient.
Yes, mother, she has a beautiful soul. She has a beautiful heart. And that's the most important thing. It's more important than cosmetic beauty. If you're even talking about that one, it's not a problem. I'll take her out. Go do makeup on her, fix her nails, fix the kind of hair that you're carrying, and she'll be fine. But most importantly, the heart. She has a beautiful heart. That's it.
Really?
Yes.
Agozi, can you change this one? Can you change it? Can you change that?
So beyond all that, there are certain things you need to know before you engage in a marriage with anyone. Something you need to know.
Things like what, Father?
Well, we always encourage that you check out the background of the person you want to marry before you engage in the marriage. Exactly. For this one, her late father's brother was that same Anyanwu, you know? The madman on the street. So madness runs in their family.
Exactly. Anyanwu was very aggressive.
You don't want to marry into that kind of family.
Volatile.
Really?
Yes!
This isn't fair. Honestly, this isn't fair. I mean, you people saw that she's a good girl. She took care of me while the others ran away.
Really? She stayed back because she could not resign. She is owing us a huge amount of money, which we loaned her when her mother was sick. That was why she didn't go. Or you thought she didn't go because she loved you or something? No! She must stay back to pay us the debt she owes us. You see Hannah as if she's different.
Honestly, I really don't know what to say. I just know I'm done talking about this. Forgive me, Father, I need to take my leave. Excuse me.
That's what we saw. They've all gone. They've all left us. Well, it's one of those days because I know you have made your declarations already.
See how life is. People only gather when they want something.
Yes.
Where's Badita?
She don't have to the palace. I think she has gone to the mother. Yes.
If an anya were a bucklas, 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 the rubbing what a pretty song, what a pretty song, the rubbing what a pretty song. What a pretty song.
Ready? Brother, why not wait for Papa to come back before going?
There's really nothing to discuss with Papa now, rather than preparations for our traditional marriage, which I can do on the phone when I get to the city.
Mm-hmm.
My brother, let me take my wife to the city to avoid another story.
Okay. I get your point.
Baby, I'm ready.
Oh, boo boo, boo boo. Oh, so go, Bacha. Papa.
You people are still here.
Yeah, Papa. We're ready. About to go before you came in. So, Papa, how did you go? The print?
Yes.
My children. Prince Agozie has finally made his choice.
Really? Wow. So, Papa, who did he choose?
Badita. Huh? The palace maid.
What?
Both the eagles
and the horse, they have all gone. Let's have peace at last.
Padita. And, Papa, wait. You mean to tell me that the Lol and Igwe accepted it?
I don't know. But I am aware they were still talking when we left.
It's alright, Papa. Yeah, we're ready to go.
It's okay.
Please let me take my wife to the city before another.
No problem.
Yes. Another.
What a pretty song. What a pretty song. What a pretty song. What a pretty song.
Your Majesty, I am finished. In fact, we are finished. What do we do? What do we do in this circumstance? Now, what do we do?
Honestly, I do not know. I'm just thinking of how I will make that boy change his mind.
Your Majesty, I don't want my son to marry that girl. He doesn't deserve such an ugly girl. You know, she looks like a pig. Look at how fatty she is. She's so drabby. She's not even cheeky at all.
I do not know how we got here.
I don't know.
I did not see this coming at all. No, she's a good girl, but
no,
she's not royalty. I mean,
Your Majesty, nobody sees gold. What people look at is beauty.
I don't want her.
Me, I want beauty too. Who doesn't want beauty? But when look at some reasons with us. I thought he had forgiven you, man. Or even Regina. Why not it of all people? Look at how fat and ugly she looks. Like that. No. I don't want that, please. I don't want her. I want her for my son.
No. You have cried.
Mama. Mama, where will I start from?
It's okay. It's okay. Mama. Please. Ego, stop crying. Yeah? Stop crying. Stop. I don't even still expect you to be carrying these people in your heart. I don't even expect it. Allow them to go. Forget him like trash. Don't even think about it. Don't allow him to bother you at all. Calm down. Stop crying. Stop. Oh? You're a very beautiful girl, okay? So he will come back to beg you. Just calm down.
I warned you, but you wouldn't listen. I warned you. Eh? I know these people. I know them very well. They are very wicked and cunning. I know them. Now they are saying that the prince should not marry you because we all ran away. When that stupid prince faked his madness. What of Padita? What of Padita that stayed behind? They are now saying the prince should not marry Padita. So you can say they are just being wicked. Don't cry.
It's okay.
Wipe your tears.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Wait, no. I should allow you to go and do something stupid.
I just want to go and
No, don't think. To be thinking about your mother and your father. Don't think. Those people they don't even want you at all. They don't want you. You are too beautiful for him to marry. They are too beautiful. Can't you look at yourself? Just calm down.
The law of karma will catch up with them.
Look at you. Stop.
We still have a rope in this house.
Rope to do what?
To do it.
To do what again?
Oh, rat poison. I need
Please hold your daughter. Hold your daughter. Hold your daughter. I warned her before.
Don't even think of it. Is it that prince that has big head with that tiny leg?
Honestly, I didn't see this coming. If I had known, I would have sent that girl away far long before now.
You know what Jose is full of surprises. Me, his mother, I don't even know him anymore. My problem is that I don't want us to have issues.
No. We are not going to have any issues with him. One thing I know is that we're not marrying that girl. So,
Here she is. Take a very good look at her. Doesn't she look good?
Can I have 1 second with you?
Have your 1 second here. I'm going in. So I'm listening, mother. Whatever you want to say, just tell us. We can't continue like this. I'm not a child, okay? I'm not a child. I'm an adult, full-grown man. If I make my choice, it should be respected, and you give me your blessing. You can't be chasing me around and telling me who to marry and who not to marry. It's not fair, okay? So when you're done talking, of course, both of us will listen. And after that, you give us your blessings. We move forward.
Listen, I've got to say, things are not done that way. We should talk about this, we'll discuss it. Your mother wanted to see her. I mean, you should let her see her. And then we'll discuss it.
Mother, I have nothing against that. I'm just saying that mother should see her here. She's here. Listen. No problem.
Go say to go, I'll charge you the one. Obadaya Saloku, Igwe Nobaya. Go say to go, I'll charge you the Prince Yago Trophy. Now who go marry the prince? Opposite to the bum, Baskelebe. Who go win the prince? Opposite to the bum, Odonyega. Now who go marry the prince? I want opposite to the bum, I want to marry a prince. Ojugesema, Magano Mano. Ojugesema, he has shown deep concern. I want to marry a prince. I want to marry a prince. Makano Ojugesema, Magano Mano. Ojugesema, he has shown deep concern. On the great Portuguese, Fancha Potago crazy. Monday Quata, Monday to Panani Day. Fancha Napanesi, Oyabona, Petasido Warfare. I want to marry a prince. I want to win my princey heart. I was a prince and you do what I will not go there. I was on your garden where you live. Hakuna line Chandi Chalanja Anine Chalapuri Mandi Marama Hakuna line Chandi Chalanja Prince Galino Prince yo Ige Buwe Alile Bueno Prince yo Ige Mewe